Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a bonus video. This process is exactly the same as the one we used to encapsulate the stone table. So, let's get started. First, we sand superficially the stump of wood before applying the Tech 1070 clear epoxy resin. Then we cover the whole surface with a thin coat of resin and we use a welding torch to remove the bubbles trapped in the resin. Here's where we have the first difference. Instead of sticking some nuts to the stump, we decided to cut some metacrylate rings because we wanted them to be invisible when the final part was done. Then we manufacture the wooden box and make some holes so the screws can hold the stump in position. Remember also to apply a proper release treatment to ensure the final part demolds perfectly. Once this is done and the resin is dry, we sand again the surface of the stump. Then we place it in the box and we anchor it with the screws, so it won't move during the process. Then we prepare the Tech WWA epoxy resin in a mixing ratio of 100:40 and we pour it little by little. Since the steps are exactly the same as the one we follow for the encapsulated stone, we will just skip this part. When this is done and the resin is dry, we will just sand down and polish the surface. And that's it. This is just an example to show you the proper way to encapsulate a piece of wood. So that's everything for today. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and activate the notification button. I will see you in the next video.